not a colloid. In ice cream, milk example of emulsion. Mixture can be both homogeneous and heterogeneous. An analyzed example of solid solution. Milk is heterogeneous mixture. The physical state of ordinary substance does not include colloid. Air is a mixture of both elements and compounds. The heterogeneous mixture in which solute particles do not dissolve but remain suspended throughout the medium is called suspension. When two liquids do not dissolve in each other and do not form a solution, it is called immiscible. Sugar is a dissolved substance in sugar solution. Lead is not a compound. A mixture of sand and sugar is an example of heterogeneous mixture. In gaseous state of matter, kinetic energy of molecules become more fluorescent or attraction, due to which they lie apart and become in free motion. Not a compound, iron. The stage of compound to minimum rigidity, gaseous. Define shape and mass become solid. Fundamental particles are quarks. In gases, neither definite volume nor definite shape. In comparison to liquid, the particles in solid are arranged finitely. In solid state, the matter molecules have maximum attraction force. The attraction statement not correct with respect to substance. There is no attraction force between particles of matter. The following substance is true with respect to particles of solid. They are confined in systematic manner. The number of state of matter have been determined by scientists so far 5. Diffusion occurs in extreme intensity in gases. If ammonia is a gas, then camphor is a solid. An example of chemical change, cooking of cake. The process which is a chemical reaction, photosynthesis is plant. Chemical change is firecrackers. After rusting, weight of iron increases. During fermentation yeast, pyruvate is converted into which of the following substance? Ethanol and carbon dioxide. Conversion of ethanol to ethanoic acid is catalyzed by alkaline KMnO4 and acidic K2Ci2O7. The process of converting sugar into alcohol, fermentation. Not a chemical change, heating of platinum bar. A chemical change is souring of butter. Rusting of iron is common example of chemical change. Neutralization example of chemical change. What is the name of process in which gas is directly converted into a solid? Deposition. A physical change is water changes to ice. Not an example of chemical change, change of water into water vapor. A chemical change is conversion of milk into curd. The change that cannot be reversed. Rolling a roti from dough and baking into tawa. A chemical change is burning of wood. Need to balance its chemical reaction to satisfy law of conservation of water. State that mass cannot produce or destroy the chemical reaction, law of conservation of mass. Chemical property, law of constant ratio, Joseph Proust. According to law of constant proportion, in chemical compound, elements are present in fixed proportion of mass. Constant proportion 3:8 में रहेगा कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड में.